Hey guys, it's Awoshi here, and I have an update. I will not be making any more statewide EAS videos, and here's why. The EAS mock I did on Alabama got copyrighted for some reason. See, look. Somehow it had these songs in them. Now I'm not going to play them because I don't want this video to get copyrighted, but they were actually sirens, and I'm actually not sure how this happened. But hopefully things can get right, but I probably will not make any more statewide EAS videos. The same thing actually happened with my Arizona one, but I deleted that because of the same reason. As seen, hold on. As seen right here, there's no Arizona video. Because it got copyrighted for the same reason. But that doesn't mean I will stop making videos on EAS scenarios because most of them didn't get copyrighted. It was just those two. But yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.